Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my top 5 testnet airdrops that you need to start farming right now. Firstly, if you're a newbie in the crypto market and you don't know what a testnet is, so I'm going to just show you this. Okay, dsbihari is a blockchain. Okay, so let's assume that Binance or this BSC, okay, here is more like a testnet. Okay, they are trying to launch this blockchain. So since they are trying to launch this blockchain, okay, they are looking for people that will come on here to help them test run and try on what is going on. So what's going to happen? Since you guys are helping them test run this and like take if everything is working out and all of that, to know if there's any bug or stuff like or bugs or stuff like that. Okay, so when you are doing this and helping them check all of this stuff, trying to come on here to search to know if everything is authentic or to know if all these stuffs right here they are working and all of that, when you do this you get rewarded. Okay, coming on here on the testnet that I am really interested in, okay, is this one right here. They call it Tyco. Okay, I don't know if I'm getting that correctly, but Tyco is a type of 1zk Ethereum virtual machine. Okay, and it's being built, okay, and led by Ethereum founders and privacy. This is a privacy and scaling exploration, okay, team. Okay, that they are from Ethereum. So I feel that since this is more like Ethereum foundation project, that's the way I'm seeing it. Okay, it will be worthwhile or very good that for you guys to start farming it. Okay, if you want to watch a video on how to farm it, then you can comment down in the video and I will make a video on how you can go about getting involved in this testnet airdrop. Today's video is sponsored by Deepbrain AI Studio. So Deepbrain AI Studio is a kind of AI video generation platform that everyone needs. So what you do here is simply just to convert all your tests into an AI that will help you do all of the video. Like Brain AI Studio is going to help you a lot because you can simply convert all your tests into a speaking human, okay, that is in form of an AI, and you can get an account for free. Simply get an account for yourself, click on get started for free. So when you click on get started for free right here, a special account is going to be created for you. So the next one we have right here is CI. So CI here is a network ecosystem that generates a purpose and is more like an open source layer 1 blockchain that claims to address scalability problems of exchanges of digital assets. If you want the video on how to claim or how to qualify for the testnet airdrop, comment down in the comment section and I'm going to prepare that video immediately for you guys. So the next one I have right here is Yaka Finance. Okay, so Yaka Finance is as well on the CI network ecosystem. So Yaka Finance is a DEX that claims to unite launchpads and trading for the next liquidity hub on CI network. PrimeZ is a layer 1 hub that is trying to redefine DeFi, okay, by separating future yield from assets and unlocking limitless flexibility. So if you are looking on a way to invest into or get into DeFi and you want to get the free crypto, okay, this project is as well going to be good for you. If you want me to make a video on how to qualify, on how you can qualify for this testnet airdrop, then comment down in the comment section. It's not yet late, guys. You have to hurry up. Here is Engine Layer. So Engine Layer is a potential airdrop, okay, and it's really good. Okay, Engine Layer is an Ethereum based protocol that is known for introducing restaking, okay, and they are using a concept that allows Ether and other tokens to be reused on the consensus layer. I know that this is a bit technical, but you can make research on this project, but have it in mind that all these projects I've mentioned right now, they have a good utility, okay, and they are not trying to copy any kind of project out there. So I think it would be really good for you guys to start looking into testnet project like this one. So the last one on the list I have here is Mito. So Mito is a collection of automated trading vaults that are powered by smart contracts. It offers autopilot trading, okay. It also has Mito Finance Launchpad, which is a decentralized platform designed to facilitate fair and equitable distribution of tokens like ICO and all of that. So I am going to drop this one as well because I think the utility is very simple. So if you want more videos on the top testnets that you need to start farming right now, comment down in the comment section. Comment 1 down in the comment section. I'm going to drop a banger for you guys. Let's watch and see how many views we get from this kind of video, because I'm just trying this for the first time. If you like this, comment. If you're finding value, comment, subscribe, and share this video to all of your friends. Catch you back there.